It's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, you've heard about all these problems, or perhaps you haven't. Exploding compensators on the twin cam and the Milwaukee 8s. Okay, the problem is the stock chain tensioner will just ratchet up whether it should or not. This particular system is a direct replacement for the old one. This spring-loaded tensioner will basically slide up and down in these guides. There's bases to put underneath to make it tighter or looser. Okay, you know, so obviously you can slot these in, and this will give you a lot more tension on the springs. Comes complete with two different strengths of springs. Okay, this particular kit is the full upgrade, not just the tensioner, but this is definitely well worth fitting on all your twin cams. It's a different model, but it basically does the same thing, replaces a stock auto ratcheting system, which will basically break your clutch basket. It will also snap the front compensator. This is a better upgrade still. This has got the solid compensator, okay, new bolt recluse clutch, which is a fully automatic clutch. Literally, you don't even need to use the clutch at all. You just rev it and it just changes. When you shut off, it will change gear. You just flick on the lever. A lot used in motocrossing. The Barnett clutch basket, I say, super strong. The Spectro heavy duty oil, and the recluse clutch, all your gaskets, pretty well everything you need to do the full job. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.